Alright, listen up. If you've been thinking about investing but the whole thing looks like some crazy high-tech chart you don't understand, relax. It's actually way simpler than it looks. You're probably sitting there like, yo, where do I even start? Don't sweat it. By the end of this video, all those money questions are going to make a whole lot more sense. Investing is basically planting a tiny seed today and letting it grow into something huge over time. You put in a little now, and future you cashes out big. Stocks, ETFs, gold, crypto, real estate. These are all different places your money can grow. And the cool part? You get to choose your mix. And yo, big difference here. Long-term investing is slow and steady, while short-term trading is fast, risky, and kind of stressful. Don't mix the two. Here's the harsh truth. Your cash loses value every year. Inflation's like fire under your money. If you don't invest, it literally melts away. The good news? Investing in 2025 is stupid easy. Everything's on your phone now. One clean app and boom, you're in the market. And if you're thinking, man, I don't want to lose money, chill. There are plenty of safe, low-risk options beginners can start with. The earlier you start, the crazier the growth gets. That's compound interest doing its magic. Small steps turning into big wins over time. Before you invest a single dollar, set your goals. What are you saving for? A car? A house? Emergency fund? Make it clear, make it real. Next up, your emergency fund. Life gets messy, and you don't want to sell your investments every time something pops off. Then pick a legit investing app. Don't worry about fancy features. Just make sure it's simple, safe, and easy to use. If you're brand new, ETFs are the move. They're basically the chill, steady growth option. Blue chip companies are another safe bet. Big brands, stable growth, less drama. Mutual funds? Think of them as pre-managed money bundles. Easy for beginners, solid for long-term. Crypto's cool, but yo, go slow. It moves fast, and the risk is no joke. Don't put in money you can't sleep without. Start small. Seriously, tiny amounts add up faster than you think. The goal is consistency, not flexing. Use DCA dollar cost averaging. Just invest a little every month. No stress, no timing the market, just steady growth. And yo, this is a long game. Hold your investments. Let time do the heavy lifting for you. A simple beginner portfolio could look like this. Mostly ETFs, some stocks, a little mutual funds, and just a tiny bit of crypto. Keep it balanced. First mistake. Falling for get-rich-quick nonsense. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Second, don't throw all your cash into one single stock. That's how you stress yourself out for no reason. Number 3, don't panic sell. Markets drop. It happens. Chill and let it recover. And stop chasing every hyped-up crypto coin. High risk means high chances of getting wrecked. Last mistake, investing without research. Spend at least a few minutes understanding what you're buying. Real wealth comes from small, consistent investing. Not big jumps, slow and steady wins every time. The longer you stay invested, the stronger your money tree grows. And once compounding kicks in, man, that's when your money really starts leveling up. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button. More beginner-friendly money tips coming up. And yo, check out the next video. It'll help you level up even faster.